At EuroBike 2026, the spotlight is on the newest generation of e-bikes. Smarter, stronger, and more stylish than ever. This year's lineup brings everything from futuristic city commuters to rugged mountain machines and versatile cargo bikes. With bigger batteries, advanced motors, and sleek designs, these models show how fast e-mobility is evolving. Join us as we take a closer look at the most exciting releases, redefining how riders commute, explore, and push the limits of cycling. City cycling takes a futuristic leap with the HEPHA Urban X, a futuristic prototype designed to simplify commuting through intelligent automation. Its dual-motor eCVT drive delivers a massive 400% gear ratio range, automatically adjusting cadence between 40 to 120 revolutions per minute for smooth, effortless pedaling. Regenerative braking slows the bike while recharging the battery, reducing wear on mechanical brakes and boosting efficiency. With a continuous 250-watt motor and peaks up to 1,000 watts, it maintains stable performance at the legal pedelec speed of 25 kilometers per hour. A minimalist cockpit with hidden cables, circular display, and ergonomic seating enhances control in traffic. Built for intuitive riding, the Urban X blends innovation and simplicity, offering a glimpse into the future of urban mobility. Speed and simplicity meet in the Canyon Roadlite on CF, a lightweight urban e-bike built for fast commuting and fitness riding. Its carbon fiber frame keeps weight down to around 15 kilograms, while the Fazua Ride 60 drive system delivers smooth, natural assistance up to 25 kilometers per hour. A removable 430 watt-hour battery adds flexibility for charging and reduces weight when riding without assistance. Shimano components ensure reliable shifting, and hydraulic disc brakes provide confident stopping power. The road-inspired geometry gives this bike agility and efficiency, making it perfect for weaving through city traffic or powering up hills. Sleek, minimalist design with integrated cabling completes the look. At $3,000, the Roadlite on CF is a premium choice for performance-minded commuters. Next up, Velo de Ville REVO-C, a premium urban e-bike that combines German craftsmanship with cutting-edge DJI motor technology. Powered by the Avanox M1 mid-drive, it delivers up to 120 Newton-meters of torque for lightning-fast acceleration and effortless climbing. At just 19.9 kilograms, it's lighter than most high-torque city bikes, with a sleek carbon-inspired frame available in 35 customizable colors. A digital cockpit with integrated display connects to the Avanox app, offering ride modes, fitness tracking, and GPS security for 3 years. Built-in alarm protection and A-bus lock integration add peace of mind. Designed for performance-minded commuters, the REVO-C blends speed, style, and smart connectivity, making it one of the most advanced urban e-bikes of 2026, starting at €3,999. Urban riding feels effortless with the Riese and Müller Nevo 5, a premium e-bike built for comfort, stability, and everyday reliability. Powered by the Bosch Performance Line PX Sport motor, it delivers 75 Newton-meters of smooth assistance, making commutes and city climbs easy. A 600 watt-hour power tube battery ensures long range, while wide Schwalbe tires and a suspension fork absorb bumps for a relaxed ride. Shimano Q's shifting keeps gear changes precise, and Magura brakes provide dependable stopping power even under load. Integrated lights enhance visibility, and with a 160-kilogram weight rating, it's ready for riders plus cargo. Stylish, durable, and confident-inspiring, the Nevo 5 blends practicality with premium engineering, an ideal companion for modern city life. Designed to carry more with ease, the United Mobility UM Zip is a modern electric cargo bike. Built for families and urban riders, its sturdy frame and long wheelbase provide stability, while a powerful mid-drive motor delivers smooth assistance even when fully loaded. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure reliable stopping power, and the integrated cargo platform adapts to groceries, gear, or child seats. Multiple riding modes let you switch between light cruising and heavy hauling, making it versatile for everyday use. Practical details like integrated lights and durable components add safety and longevity. Stylish yet functional, the UM Zip transforms errands into effortless rides, offering utility, comfort, and electric performance at around €4,000 for today's city lifestyle. Sleek lines and futuristic engineering define the Raymon Numa, an e-bike built to merge style with substance. To power it up, it comes with a Yamaha PWL1 mid-drive motor, paired with a removable 520 watt-hour battery that offers flexible charging. For longer rides, an optional 234 watt-hour extender boosts total capacity to 754 watt-hour, delivering up to 130 kilometers of range under optimal conditions. The battery is seamlessly integrated into the down tube, preserving the bike's clean silhouette. Hydraulic disc brakes and wide tires provide stability, while the digital cockpit connects to the Raymon app for GPS tracking and ride data. With its minimalist design, responsive power, and extended range, the Numa is crafted to redefine urban commuting with confidence and innovation. Carrying more has never felt this smooth. The ISY P12 Longtail is a compact cargo e-bike designed for everyday versatility. Powered by the Pinion Motor MGU with 85 Nm torque, it delivers strong assistance while integrating a 12-speed gearbox for seamless shifting. A 960 watt-hour battery ensures long range, even when hauling heavy loads. The extended rear rack supports child seats, panniers, or bulky cargo, while hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power under weight. Despite its cargo capacity, the bike's compact frame and 20-inch wheels keep it agile in city traffic. With integrated lights, sturdy build, and customizable accessories, the P12 Longtail blends practicality with performance, making it a smart solution for families and urban riders who need power and space. Now moving to EMTB from EuroBike 2026. Starting with the Amflow TL Carbon, a lightweight EMTB designed for serious riders. At just 19.2 kilograms, it's one of the lightest full-suspension electric mountain bikes in its class. Powered by DJI's Avanox drive system, it delivers up to 120 Nm of torque and 850 watts peak output, giving explosive acceleration on climbs and technical trails. A 600 watt-hour battery is seamlessly integrated into the frame, with an optional 800 watt-hour extender for extended adventures. The carbon chassis, Fox suspension, and Shimano XT components ensure agility and durability, while the smart cockpit connects to the Avanox app for ride modes, GPS, and diagnostics. Sleek, powerful, and connected, the TL Carbon redefines what an EMTB can achieve. Strength and stability define the Raymon Durok, a hardtail EMTB built for riders who want control and confidence on rugged terrain. Its aluminum frame is paired with a Yamaha PWX 3 motor delivering up to 85 Nm of torque, ensuring powerful climbing support and smooth assistance up to 25 km/h. A 630 watt-hour battery is integrated into the down tube, offering long range for trail adventures. Wide 29-inch tires and a suspension fork provide grip and comfort, while hydraulic disc brakes guarantee reliable stopping power in all conditions. With a clean design, modern geometry, and durable components, the Durok is engineered for mountain bikers who value performance and endurance. It's a versatile companion for both demanding trails and everyday off-road rides. Megamo RYAL is a full-suspension EMTB crafted for riders who demand agility and endurance on the trails. Its lightweight carbon frame houses a Shimano EP801 motor delivering up to 85 Nm of torque, paired with a 720 watt-hour battery for long-distance adventures. With this setup, riders can expect extended range and consistent power across climbs and technical terrain. The suspension system is tuned for control and comfort, while wide tires and hydraulic disc brakes ensure grip and reliable stopping power. A sleek design with integrated cabling keeps the bike streamlined, and premium components add durability for demanding rides. Built for performance and precision, the RYAL blends power, range, and handling, making it a serious contender in the EMTB world. Lightweight carbon engineering meets electric precision in the Megamo Upon, a road e-bike designed for speed and endurance. Its Shimano EP801 motor delivers up to 85 Nm of torque, giving riders smooth assistance on climbs and long stretches. A 360 watt-hour battery is seamlessly integrated into the down tube, while an optional extender boosts range for endurance rides. Aerodynamic geometry balances efficiency with comfort, making long hours in the saddle feel natural. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure precise control, and premium components add durability for demanding road conditions. With its minimalist silhouette, hidden cabling, and advanced motor system, the Upon blends road bike agility with electric support. Crafted for cyclists who want performance, range, and modern design in one sleek package. Precision engineering meets raw trail power in the Rotwild R.XX series, a flagship EMTB lineup built for elite performance. At its core is the Bros Drive S Mag motor, delivering up to 90 Nm of torque with natural responsive assistance. A fully integrated 720 Wh battery ensures long range, while optional extenders push endurance even further. The carbon frame is tuned for stiffness and agility, paired with premium suspension for control on technical descents and steep climbs. Hydraulic disc brakes and wide tires guarantee stability, while the sleek design integrates cabling and cockpit for a clean aesthetic. With race-ready geometry, advanced connectivity, and uncompromising build quality, the R.XX series represents Rotwild's vision of ultimate EMTB performance for demanding riders. Power and precision come together in the Pivot Shuttle AMP'd, a full-suspension EMTB built for aggressive trail riding. At its core is the Bosch Performance Line CX race motor, delivering explosive acceleration with up to 85 Nm of torque. A 750 Wh battery is seamlessly integrated into the carbon frame, offering extended range for long days in the mountains. The DW Link suspension system ensures efficient climbing and plush control on descents, while premium Fox suspension and Shimano XT components add durability and responsiveness. Wide tires and powerful brakes provide confidence on technical terrain, and the sleek design keeps cabling hidden for a clean look. Lightweight, capable, and race-ready, the Shuttle AMP'd redefines what an electric mountain bike can achieve. Now wrap up the list with Commencal's MetaPower SX, an Enduro EMTB with DJI's Avinox MG concept drive system, delivering explosive torque and seamless control. The motor provides up to 120 Nm of assistance, paired with a 600 Wh battery integrated into the frame for long rides. Riders can extend adventures with an optional 800 Wh range extender, ensuring endurance on demanding trails. The full suspension chassis is tuned for aggressive downhill performance, while Fox suspension and premium components guarantee precision and durability. Hydraulic disc brakes and wide tires add confidence on technical terrain, and the smart cockpit connects to the Avinox app for ride modes, GPS, and diagnostics. Bold, powerful, and connected, the MetaPower SX redefines enduro riding with futuristic e-mobility. From cargo haulers to carbon race machines, EuroBike 2026 proves that e-mobility is evolving faster than ever. These bikes aren't just upgrades. They're futuristic visions of how we'll ride tomorrow. Smarter, stronger, and more connected. Whether you're commuting through the city or conquering the trails, the future of cycling is here, and it's electric.